guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feels good saying this. I was going out and I had this idea to shoot a YouTube content showing you all the content. Yeah, what's in my bag? I mean, I've been seeing it everywhere, but I decided to make my own. We're a little twist. So I'm going to be sharing my playlist with you all. We'll be vibing to my playlist. I'll be showing you all what's in my bag and probably why it's in my bag. Guys, let's get right into the video. Starting off with, I've been vibing with Awolowo. You know Awolowo by Fido featuring Tiwa Savage. So I've been feeling it recently. So that's what I'll start with.
I go smoke that ganja until I go blind. You gonna say I take ganja all the time. Pass me the ganja, give me brown Rizilla. Pass me the ganja, let me up so high.
Take me over the clouds so high. Fly me up so high, till I find myself talking with the most high. Some things tell me I'm not the mad. You can see, there's a lot inside. So first on the list, to me, my hanky is very essential. And then I have my charger. I'm going out, so I need to take my charger with me. Like, I'm sure you guys take your charger with you. I'm gonna just go to the next music I'm feeling. Juju by Faith. I love Faith so much, and this is her new release actually. If I say I don't like it, I'm lying, I do. It's 1992. If I say I don't like it, I'm lying, I do. I know that you are old school, like you do. I don't move. You don't call me, you don't text me. I know there's a reason. Woo! That's that for that, you know. This is my scent. I don't know why, but like once I get into my Uber, I just just spray it and stuff. Because we need to do the society a great deal of, by smelling nice. It's the least we can do. The country is already too hard. You can't be smelling. Let's go back to my bag. This is just my inhaler because I'm asthmatic. And then I have my AirPods. My AirPods are always with me. When you just want to cancel out all the noise. Or maybe avoid some conversations with people. Next on my waist is Bebe by Ruga and Buju. Really like Buju and I really like Ruga. I mean their sounds. Very smooth, Okay. This is Ruga, Baby, I'm feeling good, baby. This is Buju. Baby, don't know if you feel it too. Gonna show me love for days. This is usually my vibe. Calm, chill, smooth. I have shades. Like I'm just a glasses girly. Shades girly. I don't know why I have two of it in my bag. Most times I don't move stuffs out of my bag to a new bag. I just put some things that are not inside the bag. And plus this one is big, so it accommodates a lot. So probably I just didn't remove these ones because where it was just inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I did remove one, but I don't know why there's two of it. But yes, it's typical of me. Typical. I even had this one on, so thank God I didn't step out. I can actually like drop them before going anywhere. I was still putting on this one by my idolo. Anybody that knows me know that I'm Team Teddy BG. From love. So this routine that they created, I love it. Let's go. Okay, let's go back into my bag. I mean, lipsticks, gloss. I'm just a girl. What can I say? Any girly girl will know that this is very essential. I don't know, maybe I just did too much, but yeah, they are essentials to me, honestly. What do we have next? A playlist. I mean, I feel like this one is gonna be interesting. So this one is also by Ruga and Buju. Like, you know, when they came together to create, like, to release back to back to back jam, like all of them were just too good. But this is my all-time favorite from all the tracks that they released together. I love this jam. I love and die. But we're going to only be vibing to Buju's parts now. Then rounding up the video, we're gonna be vibing to Ruga's parts, because that part kills me.
Which one I go choose?
For the final stuff, I don't think these are final, but like, yeah, I have my ATM card and my rosary. Like, I'm a Catholic, so I just feel the importance to keep my rosary with me. I had a situation one time and it saved me. You know, Abuja is known for one chance. I've experienced that and it saved me. That one will be a story for another day. But yeah, this is what is in my bag. Let's go right into the bag again for the final one. This is my power bank. And no gets power supply, like can't boost of it. Power bank is a lifesaver. So that is it, guys, for what is in my bag. Kabish finish as all. So let's vibe to Ruga's part in my all-time favorite jam, while I put them back inside. Hi. Body to respect, no guesses to full extent. Ruga and consent, full consent. Rise, come back. So on me, turn your back, oh. That's back to back, oh. Each money back, your back, oh. Don't take my bolo, Marco. Carry on with on back, oh. Don't take another hand. That is all that was inside my bag. Thank you all for watching. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you loved this video or if you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Support a new YouTuber, please guys, I love you. And please do not forget to also turn on your post notification so you get notified anytime that I put out a new content. Thank you, guys. Mwah! Bye, guys.